So guys, na-unbox na natin yung Eris 4.5 Presonus studio speakers. Nailabas ko na lahat yung items. Hindi ko na naipakita sa inyo kasi naputol yung video. Hindi ko napansin. So ang laman ng box is this power cord, speaker cables, the red and black speaker cables. Then this this pamphlet or booklet for the studio monitors or studio speakers. Then there's an RCA to 3.5mm cable. I'll show you cable. Then also there is a 3.5 to 3.5 male plug. Maybe this is 1 meter. Can be used also. Then this speaker stand or foam for underneath, so that it will absorb the vibrations once you use your speakers or play the speakers. So ito-test natin ito maya-maya. Titignan natin ang functionality, ang tunog, para matesting natin. So guys, na-connect na natin yung ating speakers, yung cables. So ito yung passive speaker, which is the right side. So meron siyang output or for a bass reflex or subwoofer sound ek. So meron siyang plus and minus terminals, which will put the color coded cable to those terminals. Plus and minus. Plus is for the positive, the plus, and the black is for the negative, the minus. So yung left side, yung likodan niya, makikita nyo, meron ditong dials which is for the high frequency and low frequency sound, which is having a range of negative 6 dB and a positive 6 dB. Same with the low frequency. The low frequency for the bass frequencies. The high frequencies for the tweeter frequencies or above the mid-range. So dito sa baba nun, may makikita yung TRS terminals for the male TRS balance connectors, left and right. Then ito kinonect natin yung RCA plug, which is red and white stereo. Then the other cables coming from the right speaker going to the left speaker, also red and black, so it's terminated. So tingnan natin ang performance, ang sound ditong Presonus. Testingin natin. Try natin i-plug in yung kanya at i-power on. Let's power on. So dito sa front pala, mayroon ako nakitang, so the uniqueness of this Eris 4.5 is the Kevlar cone speaker, the blue one, which is a trademark of Presonus. Andito yung kanyang logo. Then the volume knob, then the power knob. So turn it on. So magkakaroon siya ng blue light. At meron siyang auxiliary terminal and the phones terminal. If you want to use a phone or headphones. So now just to test the sound quality that it will give. audio review. So now I think this is in the this is the 50%. Go down 1/4. Yeah, this is 1/4 quarter from 0. This is half. And this is 3 o'clock. We haven't adjusted yet anything. Eris 4.5 unboxing. We'll see in the near future how's the performance of this Presonus Eris E 4.5. Thanks guys for watching my video. I hope you do like and subscribe to my videos, to my channel too. So click the bell button for the future videos that I will upload. Thank you for watching guys.